welcome to us. I can't... Hey, look! It's cracking. And open it for me. Now let's see how we got. Look, Mummy! We got rainbow. We got a fear race belt. Can we open it up?
Yeah. See?
Next, let's see what's inside our next egg. Our next egg we have oops. Now open it for me, please. Open it for me.
Okay.
What do we have? Look! A silence racer.
See, hold up your toy.
Look, we got a silence racer.
A sadness eraser. Yeah. And what was the fear toy you got?
Yep.
Hold it up to the camera. Hold your fear one up. Wow.
When
Great.
I was ready, we can open this up. This here is the group. And his tooth here's his long nose. It is a Southman's racer, so it must be long ago. A Salmon's racer. We got Salmon some fear.
Is that the end of your video?
Say
Say bye, everyone.
bye, everyone. Bye.